After jettisoning a small camera to capture a close-up of itself over the red planet's north pole, China's Mars orbiter Tianwen-1 takes a series of incredible selfies. Tianwen-1, China's Mars orbiter, has taken a series of selfies with a small camera that was launched into orbit. To celebrate the new year, the China National Space Administration, CNSA, has released 4 new images showing Tianwen-1 circling Mars. One shows a full view of Tianwen-1 in space, with the North Pole of Mars in the background, while another shows a close-up of its reflective gold body and solar antenna wing. Tianwen-1 used one of its small cameras to capture the images, which is beamed back via Wi-Fi. Another image depicts a spectacular close-up of ice caps on Mars's North Pole, complete with a distinctive pattern of snowy swirls. The first image, which is the first full photo of the mission orbiter, depicts the golden orbiter body with a silver object directly beneath it. The directional antenna for high-speed data communication with Earth is this silver object. The second image shows a partial close-up of the orbiter, while the third image shows the planet's ice swirls at their best. On Mars, ice can be found at the polar caps and below the surface in other places, but unlike the ice at Earth's 2 poles, the ice on Mars is made up of dry ice, solid carbon dioxide and water.